In the second lecture this week, we examined a number of topics, including the modifier area unit problem and how the results of your analysis will be affected and are therefore related to the scale of analysis. We also looked at visualizing and mapping area data, some of the pitfalls, in particular in relation to choropleth maps. In this case study, you'll be taking the role of a city worker who's been tasked with analysing streetlights by maintenance district, so that a city can best focus their limited construction project funds. You're being tasked with finding which districts should contribute to infrastructure maintenance. We're working with spatial data in GIS, which means working with layers of data. In the first lecture this week, we looked at summarising data to areas. Large amounts of data can be distilled into simpler summaries, often by area. For example, data can be summarised to what's within areas. Many data are already aggregated to areas, for example census data, so you remember that results of your analysis may only relate to your scale of analysis because of the modifier area unit problem. Understanding your data, including how it's organised, is crucial to understanding how it should be used properly. Examine your data spatially, using the map and the values, using the attribute table. Use the functionality that GIS gives you, such as filtering the data. Remember, this is reflected both in your map and in the table. Classification is a key part of analysis. It allows you to summarise information visually. This week, you'll start to look at the choices that are available to you in ArcGIS Online. Next week, we'll talk more on this key topic. The ability to combine data from many sources using spatial location is something that makes GIS so valuable for evaluating and analysing data. Learning to summarise data and how to work with summarised area data can be very valuable.